Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the MX Master 3S for Mac Logitech mouse, which is compatible with the iPad. There's the back of the box. Side. Looks like it has cabled and also Bluetooth. And you also use the cable to charge this bad boy. USB-C. So it comes with a mouse, USB-C charging cable, and quick guide paperwork, it looks like. And it's compatible with Mac OS 10.15 or later, and with iPad OS 14 or later. Okay. Alright. Bad boy is sleek. Alright, so we got the mouse itself. We got the buttons. So a little different than a regular mouse. Scrolling wheel, the side wheel, but you got the side buttons right here, and then of course the buttons on the top, right and left click. It's pretty sleek. And then there you go. Yep, and that's where you plug in the USB-C cable. So basically you turn it on, and then it looks like Bluetooth, and it should be enabled on your Mac. And then basically you got to go to mxsetup.logi.com, and then you just hit this, and then basically connects after you turn it on. Let me take this off, and then like I said, here we go. That's on and off button. This hasn't been charged yet, so you want to charge it fully? Oh, okay. Yeah, so here we go. Yeah, it looks like it's charged. And then, like I said, you got to sync it with Bluetooth. I'm assuming that's definitely the sync button. Alright, so we got the setup guide right here. Safety information, important safety and compliance, warranty information right here. Yep. And then this shows you how to load the batteries. There's more instructions. Like I said, it's pretty self-explanatory. Yep. Then has their website. Like I said, it shows you how to load the batteries. Yep. Looking like a LiPo battery. Yep. And USB-C cable, which is pretty standard size. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. That's everything, guys. And that's all it is to it. So, again, guys, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching.